Welcome back. In the previous lecture, we have seen 7 frequency domain specifications of a control system, and specifically we wrote the formulae for the second order underdamped system. In this lecture, we are deriving the formulae for two of them, that is resonant peak and resonant frequency. So let us begin with it. Consider a second order system with closed loop transfer function g of s is equal to omega n square upon s square plus 2 zeta omega n s plus omega n square, and this is typically the underdamped system with zeta less than 1 by root 2. Its frequency response function is g of j omega will be equal to omega n square upon every s will be replaced with j omega, so j to zeta omega n omega plus omega n square, and taking omega n square common we get 1 upon j omega by omega n whole square plus j to zeta omega by omega n plus 1, which is also equal to 1 upon 1 minus omega by omega n whole square, because j square is minus 1, plus j to zeta omega by omega n, and we are going to obtain the magnitude function for this. So to avoid the complications of the variable, let u be the another variable which is given by omega n. So g of u will be equal to 1 upon 1 minus u square plus j to zeta u, and its magnitude can be computed as, magnitude is always under root real part by imaginary square, real part square plus imaginary part square. So it is 1 minus u square whole square plus 2 zeta u whole square. At omega equal to omega r, magnitude of g of j omega is maximum. That means if we differentiate this with respect to u, this g of j omega will be replaced with the function g of ju or g of u. So it will be maximized when we differentiate this magnitude of g of u with reference to u. So let us find that. And that will be equal to, this is in the denominator, so actually it is 1 minus u square whole square plus 2 zeta u whole square whole raised to minus 1 by 2. And when we take its derivative, it will be minus 1 by 2 in the bracket, this part first, 1 minus u square, this 2 will come here, then into derivative of u square is 2u plus 4 into 2 zeta u square, so it will be 4 into 2 zeta square u. and that will raise to minus 3 by 2. So it will be equal to minus 1 by 2 into bracket, this will be 2 into 1, 2, 4u minus 4u cube plus 8 zeta square u raised to minus 3 by 2. At u equal to ur, this d by du of the magnitude is equal to 0, and that means this term will be 0. So this 1 by 2 will vanish and this power will also vanish. So 4 times ur minus 4 times ur cube plus 8 zeta square ur will be equal to 0. And now when we divide this entire with 4r, so we get 1 minus ur square plus 2 zeta square is equal to 0. So ur square is equal to 1 minus 2 zeta square. So ur is equal to under root 1 minus 2 zeta square. Now ur is equal to omega r by omega n. So omega r by omega n will be equal to under root 1 minus 2 zeta square. So omega r is equal to omega n into under root 1 minus 2 zeta square. So this is the resonant frequency. We have derived the expression which was mentioned in the earlier lecture. Now from this again we will derive the expression for resonant peak. So we have magnitude of g of j omega equal to 1 by under root 1 minus omega by omega n square, this whole square because this is the real part, plus 4 zeta square omega by omega n whole square, and at omega equal to omega r, magnitude of g omega r, g of j omega r will be equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus omega r is omega n into under root 1 minus 2 zeta square divided by omega n square again whole square plus 4 zeta square into omega r is omega n into under root 1 minus 2 zeta square divided by omega n is given whole square. So now let us solve this. So this will be 1 upon under root 1 minus, this omega n gets cancelled, 1 minus 2 zeta square under root and its root, so 1 minus in the bracket 1 minus 2 zeta square whole square plus 4 zeta square in the bracket 1 minus 2 zeta square, and this is equal to 1 upon, this will be 1 gets cancelled, so this will be, and making it square it will be 4 zeta raised to 4 plus 4 zeta square minus 8 zeta raised to 4 and then this will be equal to 1 upon under root 4 zeta square minus 4 zeta raised to 4. So this will be equal to 4 zeta square we will take common, so it will be 1 upon 2 zeta under root 1 minus 2 zeta square, 1 minus zeta square. And this is the expression for resonant peak. These formulae are useful in the frequency domain analysis of second order system. It is enough in this lecture. In the next lecture, we will develop the correlation between the time domain specification seen earlier and the frequency domain specification. Thank you.